XR and AR innovations from CES 2025. How Qualcomm, Snap, and Sony are shaping the future. At CES 2025, it became clear the boundaries between physical and digital are dissolving faster than ever. From immersive AR glasses to spatial computing headsets, tech giants are no longer just showing off screens. They're building realities you can wear, interact with, and live inside. This year, XR, extended reality, and AR, augmented reality, took center stage. But it wasn't just hype, it was a turning point. Companies like Qualcomm, Snap, and Sony didn't just iterate, they launched platforms that may define how we work, play, and experience the world for decades to come. Whether it's a headset that maps your entire environment in milliseconds or AR glasses that translate languages in real time, this is not the future, it's the now. In this video, we break down the most groundbreaking XR and AR tech from CES 2025 and explore what these devices mean for you, your home, and your reality. 1. Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR3, the brain of spatial computing. At the core of nearly every major XR headset this year was one chip, Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR3. This next-gen platform is built specifically for spatial computing, combining AI, edge processing, and high-speed wireless into a single, ultra-efficient package. It powers real-time scene understanding, hand tracking, voice input, and mixed reality fusion with almost no latency. Devices using XR3 can handle simultaneous pass-through video, environment mapping, and AI object detection, all on device. With support for dual 4K displays, ultra-low power draw, and integrated Wi-Fi 7, Qualcomm isn't just enabling XR, it's accelerating a future where smart glasses are as mainstream as smartphones. 2. Sony's spatial vision display, the hologram. You don't need glasses for Sony, stunned attendees with the updated spatial vision display, a glasses-free 3D holographic screen that renders content with true depth and perspective from any angle. This display uses advanced eye tracking and real-time 3D rendering to generate depth-specific visuals. Think product demos that float off the screen, CAD models that engineers can inspect from all angles, or musicians seeing their DAW in volumetric space. More than a gimmick, it's a glimpse into the next evolution of desktop computing, where interfaces move beyond flat monitors and into multidimensional, intuitive layouts. 3. Snap's AR glasses, lighter, smarter, and finally useful Snap Ink. Return to CES 2025 with its most advanced version of spectacles to date, featuring full-color waveguide lenses, SLAM-based environment tracking, and voice-controlled overlays for seamless interaction. These glasses now support contextual overlays, face filters, translation features, and even real-time product tagging through visual AI, making them more than just a fashion-forward wearable. Designed for creators and Gen Z consumers, spectacles aren't trying to replace phones, they're augmenting moments. Snap's new Lens Studio also allows users to build custom AR apps without writing a single line of code, expanding its developer ecosystem into new creative industries. Snap isn't just making glasses, it's cultivating an entire AR social platform and pushing casual augmented reality into mainstream culture through accessibility, aesthetics, and user-generated content tools. 4. Apple's silent influence. Vision Pro's shadow still looms. While Apple didn't officially present at CES, its presence was felt everywhere. Competitors reference the Vision Pro in nearly every mixed reality product comparison. It has become the measuring stick across categories. Many CES innovations, eye tracking, low latency pass-through, spatial UI, clearly draw inspiration from Apple's approach to interface design and seamless interaction. Even Qualcomm's XR3 chip is optimized for ecosystems similar to Apple's, ensuring hardware parity across platforms for broader developer support. The ripple effect is clear. Apple forced the industry to raise its bar, and now everyone from Samsung to startup headset makers are racing to match Apple's spatial UX, optical quality, and ecosystem depth while trying to differentiate with affordability and openness. 5. Lenovo's Think Reality VRX, enterprise-grade immersion. Lenovo's Think Reality VRX was built not for gaming, but for training, design, and industrial simulation use cases where accuracy and real-world integration matter most to business adoption. It features full color pass-through, gaze interaction, and compatibility with enterprise software stacks like Unity, Microsoft Mesh, and Autodesk. giving developers flexibility and IT teams scalable management options across verticals. With 6 degrees of freedom tracking and a lightweight, comfortable design, it's being deployed for everything from remote collaboration and digital twins to factory floor simulations and operational walkthroughs in real-time 3D. What makes it shine is Lenovo's approach, building open, secure, scalable XR systems that businesses can actually implement, not just demo at trade shows. In the workplace of 2030, devices like the VRX may be as common as laptops or projectors, part of the new productivity stack. Sixth, X-Real's Air 2 Ultra, the portable AR monitor. X-Real, formerly Nreal, made waves with the Air 2 Ultra, a lightweight set of AR glasses designed to replace your monitor. Connected to your phone or PC, it creates a 201-inch virtual display anchored in space. You can place apps around your room, resize them with gestures, and multitask in true 3D space. No more switching between tabs. With 1080p micro OLED displays, depth mapping, and a magnetic nose bridge for long-wear comfort, X-Real isn't trying to revolutionize XR. They're making practical AR for everyday productivity. 7. Magic Leap 3. The comeback no one expected. After years of silence, Magic Leap returned to CES with its 3rd-gen headset, and it finally delivered. Magic Leap 3 features an ultra-wide field of view, dynamic dimming, and more advanced environmental occlusion than anything else at the show. It recognizes rooms, identifies surfaces, and anchors digital content that stays put even when you walk away. Magic Leap is targeting healthcare, architecture, and defense, industries that require precise spatial alignment and hands-free, heads-up displays. For surgeons and field engineers, this isn't a toy, it's an operational tool. 8. The rise of mixed reality collaboration spaces. One standout trend at CES 2025 was the explosion of virtual collaboration platforms that blend XR, AI, and avatars for workplace meetings. Platforms like Spatial, Campfire, and Microsoft Mesh now allow you to share 3D whiteboards, hold virtual stand-ups, walk through product models, and annotate designs in real time, all while seeing your teammates as realistic avatars. Instead of Zoom fatigue, we're heading toward immersive productivity, where meetings are no longer limited by screens, but take place in shared 3D spaces that feel almost physical. 9. Full-body haptics and tactile feedback. To truly sell immersion, you need to feel it. This year, startups like Haptics, Actronica, and Tesla Suit demoed full-body haptic suits and gloves that deliver pressure, texture, temperature, and even resistance. In games, it means feeling the tension of a bowstring. In remote surgery, it means sensing tissue feedback. In virtual training, it simulates real-world force and precision. With AI modulating the intensity and location of sensation, we're moving from visual trickery to genuine tactile realism, making XR not just immersive, but physically believable. 10. Where it all leads, the spatial internet. All of this, Qualcomm's chips, Snap's glasses, Sony's 3D screens, are stepping stones to something bigger, the spatial internet. Instead of accessing content through rectangles, we'll interact with it in our environment. Windows, walls, tables, everything becomes an interface. And it will be AI-powered, meaning personalized, predictive, and context-aware. You won't open apps. You'll turn your head and see them layered over reality, navigated with voice, gaze, or gestures. CES 2025 didn't just showcase new gadgets. It previewed a world where reality itself becomes the operating system. Reality is being rewritten. CES 2025 didn't just showcase devices. It showcased a shift in how we will live, work, and interact with the world around us. XR and AR are no longer novelties. They are tools of transformation, turning our homes, offices, and streets into intelligent, dynamic interfaces. From Snapdragon XR3 to Snap Spectacles and Magic Leap's comeback, the message was clear. We're not building better screens, we're building better realities. Which XR innovation do you think will become part of everyday life first? Like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into emerging tech and the companies shaping the future, one layer of reality at a time.